Shri Krishna Janmashtami was celebrated in a very grand and beautiful manner in Harmony House, Leicester. Leicester Center in charge B.K. Indu organized the program, and B.K. Srinidhi Bhai, who came from Mount Abu, India, conducted it well. The festival started with cultural presentation in which brothers and sisters painted everyone in the colors of Krishna with beautiful Indian classical dance performances, songs and Krishna bhajans.
Tam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham.
जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है।
नोपुर ध्वनि गुंजल पग निरतत हरि
Enchanted everyone in his love. Apart from this, a talk show was also done with B.K. Indu, in which Srinidhi Bhai tried to know the life of Sri Krishna closely by asking some questions. To know Krishna by invoking his presence, spiritual resources enriched by Fred wisdom.
प्रश्न उठता है कि श्री कृष्ण में ऐसा क्या है, क्यों उसके प्रति इतना आकर्षण, इतना अट्रैक्शन, क्या स्पेशल है उसमें?
सबसे बड़ी आकर्षण श्री कृष्ण में क्या है? प्योरिटी। उसकी दृष्टि में प्योरिटी, उसके शब्दों में। क्योंकि सिर्फ देखने में प्योरिटी नहीं है, लेकिन जो व्यक्ति प्योर है तो उनके मुख से कैसे शब्द निकलेंगे? जो व्यक्ति इतना प्योर होवे तो उसके मुख से श्री कृष्ण के लिए गायन है कि वो मुरली बजाता था और गोपियाँ अपना काम काज छोड़ के आकर नाचती थी, झूमती थी। तो गोपियों का मतलब क्या और वो नाचती थी क्यों? गोपियों का मतलब है जिनका भगवान के लिए बहुत प्यार हो। और झूमती थी क्यों? क्योंकि वो मुरली ऐसी थी कि सिर्फ म्यूजिक नहीं था, वो तो एक गायन है, मुरली बजाए, लेकिन रियल मुरली क्या है? श्री कृष्ण के मुख से क्या निकला? तो मुरली है भगवान के मुख से महावाक्य। तो आत्मा जब वो महावाक्य सुनती है तो आत्मा झूमती है, न कि शरीर।
At the end of the program, Indu sister made everyone experience deep peace by doing live meditation commentary.
परमात्मा की किरणें मेरे ऊपर काम कर रही है, लेजर का काम कर रही है।
Brahma Kumaris Meditation and Retreat Center, California, organized a program restoring purity to heart of the soul. Many locals gathered at Anubhuti Center in person to celebrate the importance of the sacred thread, Rakhi, and to understand the need for spirituality in day-to-day life. Rajyoga Meditation teachers Sister Elizabeth, Sister Hema and Sister Vishali offered Raksha Bandhan spiritual blessings cards and sweets to the participants, along with letting them experience guided meditation. Along with this, cultural programs were also presented with some spiritual activities which was thoroughly enjoyed by everyone. Furthermore, Anubhuti Retreat organized local gatherings in Denville and Berkeley as well. Sister Hema and Sister Vishali also visited Portland and became a part of several Rakhi programs. Sister Hema and Sister Vishali from Anubhuti also visited Eugene in Oregon, USA and celebrated Rakhi with BK members. In Philippines too, Rakhi was celebrated in a very beautiful way. A retreat was organized in Tagate city under the theme of Living with Limitless Love, where everyone celebrated Rakhi and Janamashtami with great enthusiasm. In the presence of BK Rajni Didi, regional coordinator for Japan and Philippines, the BK family understood the spiritual meaning of Raksha Bandhan and truly enjoyed the festival.
The main guest of the program, BK Yogesh, threw light on the theme of the retreat and inspired everyone. The highlight of the retreat was an evening of almost 3 hours of sweet silence, absorbed in Baba's unlimited love.
Similarly, a workshop on the topic of adaptability in adverse condition was organized at the Asian Institute located in Makati city, in which BK Yogesh, regional coordinator, Turkey, was the keynote speaker.
The event was kept by a guided meditation led by Sister Rajni, the national coordinator of Brahma Kumaris, Philippines and Japan. She and Brother Yogesh then handed out toli and blessing cards to all the participants.
BK Yogesh also addressed a spiritual seminar organized for the Philippines National Police, where a large number of policemen, including many senior police officers, were present in the seminar.
The Philippine National Police Center for Police Strategy Management kicked off the 6th leg of its police leadership and good governance lecture series with BK Brother Yogesh speaking on responsible relationships starts with me. The Center for Police Strategy Management had Police General Victor Arivalo, former Head General Noel Barresi Rose, Nanette Madriaga, and some 50 police officers and PNP staff warmly welcomed BK Yogesh. The lecture beamed all over the country and was well received by close to 1,000 officers and staff.
BK Yeshu, senior Rajyoga teacher of Omshanti Retreat Center, Gurugram, India, is on tour to Sri Lanka, where she visited Assistant High Commissioner office and met Dr. Athira as Assistant High Commissioner for India in Kandy and tied Rakhi to her. Thanks for watching our broadcast today. We hope that you found our coverage informative and valuable. Join us again next time for more news and updates on events around the world. Until then, take care and goodbye.